What if an AI model didn't have to use its entire brain for every task, and instead activated only the parts that are best for the job? That's exactly how MoE, mixture of experts, AI models work. MoE is an advanced neural network architecture where multiple specialized experts exist inside a single large model. But here's the twist. Instead of using all experts at once, MoE activates only a small subset for each input. This makes the model smarter and more efficient at the same time. A key component called a gating network decides which experts to activate. Think of it like a smart traffic controller that routes every question to the experts most capable of answering it. For example, a language expert handles grammar. A reasoning expert handles logic. A coding expert handles technical queries, all inside one framework. Modern AI is huge and expensive to train. MoE models reduce computation by activating only a fraction of parameters, sometimes as low as 10%, without losing performance. This leads to faster responses, lower training cost, higher scalability, better specialization. You'll find MoE models in advanced chatbots, machine translation, recommendation systems, large-scale AI assistants, multimodal systems that handle text, images, and more. MoE AI models represent a major step toward more efficient, adaptable, and powerful AI systems. They combine specialization with scalability, making them a key part of the future of artificial intelligence.